Does the sorting column in Joomla ever confuse you? It confuses me sometimes. I can't remember which is top or bottom, but I've got a tip to help you remember. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 172 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. This video is brought to you by MySites.Guru. Head on over to MySites.Guru and get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all of the helpful information and tools that can save you time and money managing one Joomla site or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. All right, let's look at the computer screen and we'll get right to that tip. So as you'll see here, I've created 5 articles with random type article titles, and I want to change the order of them here in the article manager just manually so that they occur in the specific order I want them to. I can't do alphabetical because they all have different beginning titles. I could use some other methods, but I just want to manipulate them and put them where I want them to. So I'm going to use the sort column for that before I create a menu link for them. Now here is the sort column. Now always pay attention and notice that if these, I don't know what these are called, but let's call them grab dots. If these grab dots are grayed out, the content on this page is not being sorted by this column. So what we'll do is we'll just click to select to sort by the column. The dots take on a black color here, and now we know it is being sorted in some order. But is this top to bottom, like A to Z? Although it's not even A to Z, that's alphabetical. Is this just like the top position, or is this showing the bottom position at the top? Here's the tip. This little triangle always points to where the top is. So it's pointing up, so we know the top is up here. If we click this and it points down, we know the top is down here. Now it can get a little confusing talking about that and saying it over and over, but now we know that because the top is down here, this is the bottom. This is really important if you're going to manually set the order based in the order of the articles or the reversed order of the articles. So I'm going to click this one more time here, and we know now this is pointing up. This is the top, and let's say manually I want map 1 to be the second one in the list, and I want testimony 5 to be the 4th. Article 2 will be at the bottom. Why I would do that, because Article 3 is there, I don't know, but they're just random. But this is the manual order that I want them to occur in, and I know that this is going to be top because this arrow's pointing always to the top. Now let's go to Menus, Main Menu, and we will add a new menu item. We'll open up a new tab, and here on this tab, then we will give it a title, Sorting Demo. We're going to pick the menu item type. Let's do an article, category list. We will select the category, which is sorting demo. And now for the layout and the order, we're going to select article order. And of all these options, we want article order right here. It says article order there, and then it says article order there. So there's sort of two different things here. They're related, of course. If I wanted to show those in the reverse order that I had set up in the article manager that I had sorted, then I would of course use this. But we'll go with article order, scroll up, we'll save, we'll go to the home page, refresh, here's our new link, and there's our articles in the order that we put them in the article manager, top to bottom. And we know that this is top because this is pointing always to the top. So there you have it, a handy little tip. When you're sorting by that column, the top is always where that little arrow is pointing, and that will help you to know when you're moving things around, like articles or categories or anywhere else that the sorting column is used. I hope that tip was helpful for you. If it was and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Ring the bell to get notifications of new live streams happening on the channel and new tutorials. And if this video is helpful, please give it a like. It helps others to find it. So until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.